Hey teacher, good morning. I hope are you today. I go to talk about the importance of networking. Networking is the process of building a maintain a network of professional and personal contacts who can provide you with support, advice, inform, and opportunity in your work and personal life. And this helps you build relationships throughout conference, social gatherings, and digital platforms. Um, Interview techniques. Before the interview, research. Before the interview, research the company to improve you interview and demonstrate interest in the company. It is essential though the thoroughly research company, its culture and values, and well as the responsibilities of the position. This will allow you to answer questions more informally and demonstrate you committed to the company. Another technique is to um, prepare answer to common questions, strength, weakness, will you want the positions. Bueno, during the interview, be punctuality and dress appropriately. It is crucial to arrive on time or even few minutes early, showing a respect for the interview is time, listing activity and respond clear, eh, show enthusiasm and positive body language. Um, okay, after the interview, send a thank you email, allow enough time. If the interview was in the afternoon, it is fine to send the email the following morning. Also, thank the interview for the opportunity to interview you. Show your appreciation for their time in the information they provide. Um, Reflect on the what you call improve for future interviews. Thank you, teacher, and see you later. Bye bye.